You know, after we finally decided on Russ, we
just go on to the next song.
No.
Yeah.
We found out.
Press play.
No.
You know, just like we talked about earlier, Bill.
I'm serious. I mean, after we decided.
Nobody wants to hear this. Nobody cares.
I think they do.
Nobody wants to hear it.
No. We found out that Russ has earned 5 Grammy Awards. Russ Taff.
Russ has got 5 Grammys. Russ has got 5 Grammys. Guy's got 6 kids. Russ has got 5 Grammys. Guy's got 6 kids. Russ got every night.
Was that out loud? Guy, sweet, loving, fertile guy. Oh, Guy, I don't have 6 kids because I've got a hobby. And Russ, dear sweet, trying to get away from me, Russ. Dear sweet Pentecostal Russ, come on. Russ, what'd you get those alleged Grammys for?
Well, they were
You see, nobody cares. Nobody cares. And you know, I just hate night after night just driving it home to the audience. I've got 5 Grammys.
I asked him.
Talking about 5 Grammys, and it just makes me just a little sad and a little nauseous. But you know, I don't have 5 Grammys, Russ, because I've chosen to store up my treasures in heaven. Oh! I'm gonna mess up my suit.
Don't believe a word of it.
Everything good, everything right, everything holy, everything right, everything worthy, all that I should. And all is well, 'cause I'm gonna dwell on everything good. I got a choice, I got a plan. Gonna find the roses under the thorns whenever I can. Looking for joy, looking for love, looking for a little bit of heaven on earth, shining down from above. Everything good, everything right, everything holy, everything right, everything worthy, all that I should. And all is well, 'cause I'm gonna dwell on everything good. Changing the scene, changing my ways, trading some gloomy, doomy nights for a few more sunny days. It's all in the heart.